Here I have a fully automatic coffee machine. This is the KAXFREE SF1 Max. And personally, I have been using a different fully automatic coffee machine, the Philips 5400. And it's something that I've been using well over 2 years and more like 2 times a day or 3 times a day most of the time. And it's been working great. So I'm actually excited to go ahead and see what this one can do. I know this has cold milk froth and hot as well, which not many fully automatic coffee machines really have that. And also we have the cold brew option as well on this. Obviously it's not gonna be like refrigerated, like cold water. It's whatever water you're putting here. And here the water tank can contain up to 1.3 liters of water. Enough of me talking, let's go ahead and test this thing out. Once the unit is on here, this is the screen you'll see. So we got quite a few selections here from Espresso to Americano, Cappuccino here. And you can scroll by and see the rest here, also like milk foam, water. If I go ahead and click the cappuccino one here, I'm able to go ahead and choose the coffee cup volume here or the strength as well. If you want to go ahead and choose more settings, this is where you have to go. So up here, this icon. And now if I go back to the cappuccino one, so now we have so much more options. Also the espresso here, we can choose up to 2, and those settings, we're able to go ahead and play around with that as well. Also the brew temperature as well. So we can go from 80 Celsius all the way to 99 Celsius there. And also the espresso cup size, we're able to set that up here as well. Milk foam time as well. So after you go ahead and adjust something that you like, you want to remember, you can just go ahead and hit the heart here and go ahead and give it a name so you'll remember it for next time. Now let's just go back to the simple menu here, and you'll see a few settings up here. So that's the heart, so that whatever you added to your favorites, that's where it's going to show up. We also have like a child lock menu. And then the next option is the cleaning option. So we have the brewer cleaning, also the milk froth cleaning, and the filter activation. Going to the settings menu. So the first thing you see here is the maintenance. So under maintenance, this is where we have that milk froth system cleaning. So if I go ahead and click this one, it's going to give you everything. So this does take quite a bit, but I actually like that it takes its time to go ahead and clean because you're not able to go ahead and open up the system inside. And then next is the brewing cleaning system as well. So same idea, and the descaling cycle as well. Kind of tells you like with the images here what you need to do. Going to the settings here, this is where we have some of the ketones and all that. If I go to the display here, we're able like to go ahead and choose the brightness of the monitor here. And the next menu is the shutdown and standby. So once you go ahead and set up the Wi-Fi and bind the app here, pretty much you're getting all the settings that we saw before there. So you're able to pretty much make a coffee remotely from your phone here. Looking at the front here, so the coffee outlet, you're able to go ahead and adjust it. So up and down here, and checking out the drip tray here. So this is where the coffee pucks are going to be. So you can empty that out. And this is where the water is going to go ahead and accumulate. And if you're asking to see if the whole thing comes out, it does. So you can go ahead and clean this out whenever you need to. Also the front here as well. So you're able to take this out. And also we have this indication here as well. When this fills up with too much water, you'll also get the notification there as well, but you'll see that too coming up. And to go ahead and insert our milk tank, all you need to do is just slide this down here and then just go ahead and stick this in there. You'll hear a little click and you know that's in there. And also this, we are able to adjust it, so depending on your cup size here. So right now, let's just go ahead and make an espresso here and start. So one thing I like what it does is after it's done completing the coffee, because with my Philips, every time like it finished the coffee, then it would kind of like drip a bit. But this one, as soon as it's done, there's no drip or anything like that. And here's our coffee, definitely some nice crema here. And now just to go ahead and show you the coffee pucks here so you can see them. They come out very dry actually, so which is good. That's what you kind of want to go ahead and see. Next, let's just go ahead and try the cappuccino here, and then we'll jump to the iced drinks as well. And let's go ahead and hit start here. And that's our cappuccino here. We get some nice milk foam here. So one thing I found is for bigger glasses like this, so for example, if you want to make it like an iced coffee, kind of this one makes sense. And to go ahead and put this on, there's like really no space to, this is not gonna fit. And I know someone is probably gonna go ahead and ask the height of this cup, and this is 12 centimeters. Right now I wanna go ahead and test out the temperature. We're gonna go ahead and test out the water option, and I'm using this thermal camera. So let's go ahead and hit water here. And let's go ahead and add maybe 190 ml here and at 90 Celsius. So that's as much as it can go for the water. So it's going 82, 83, 84 here. So 86 Celsius I'm seeing. Let's go ahead and hit iced cappuccino. That way we're gonna get the cold milk froth instead of the hot. So barely any machines out there have this option, but this one does, which is great. And let's go ahead and hit start here. And here's our iced coffee with a cold milk froth. So right now I'm doing a cold brew. Also, I'll go ahead and show you the temperatures here as well. And this is our cold brew here. We're still getting that crema, as you can see at the top, just like you would with a hot coffee. And tasting this, it's kind of like lukewarm, so adding ice to this, it will make it perfect. And at the top here on my right, this is where you have the tablet, and on our left, this is where we have that 1.3 liter tank. And this is where we put our coffee beans. And here you can see a few levels. Usually I like to leave it 8 or 9 here because it just makes a better coffee when it's a little bit higher, finer grind. The cap here, it does have this kind of like rubber, just to kind of keep the aroma in there. After having a few coffees from this machine here, it's definitely going to go ahead and replace my Philips. I think I find it more convenient to go ahead and use this one here. The one thing of this is I'm not able to go ahead and open this up and clean like the internals and everything like that. It does have that like deep cleaning option in here, which I think it's doing a good job. At one point, after probably a month or so, I'm gonna go ahead and stick a camera inside there and just see if it's dirty, moldy, or anything like that. I'll go ahead and put an update on the description below after a month or so. One thing is, for this one is, I wish they kind of made this a little bit bigger here or lowered the base a bit, because I'm not able to fit my glass, which it fitted on my other machine here. When it comes to cleaning, especially the milk froth here, every portion comes apart here. So pretty much you're able to remove everything, and all the pieces here come off the bottom. So it makes it super easy to go ahead and clean. And included in this box, we did get some cleaning accessories here just to make it easier. Especially for the milk tank here, it makes it super easy to clean out here. If there's any coffee or settings you would like me to go ahead and play around with this machine, go ahead and leave a comment below and I'll go ahead and make a short video so you can see how that works. Really hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.